What's this? I asked the AI to open my secrets file, the one with all my private keys in it, and make a change. It goes to do it and then something stops it. Cold. I didn't click anything. I wasn't even watching. A little rule I set up caught it automatically. That rule is called a hook. Let me show you how this works. Because this is a thing nobody tells beginners, you can teach Claude Code to follow your rules and do your chores all by itself. A hook is just a tiny command that runs automatically the moment Claude does something. You set it once and it works every single time, no babysitting. And the whole idea is simple. There are two moments you get to grab, right before Claude does something, so you can stop it. And right after it's done something, so you can react. Before and after. That is the entire concept. Everything else is just details. Let's do the before one first, a guard for my secrets. Here's the rule, and it lives in one little settings file. In plain words, it says if Claude ever tries to touch a file called .env, that's where private keys live. Stop it right there. And here's the best part, you don't have to write this. You copy it. Now watch it work. I tell Claude, open my secrets file and add a new key. It reads the request, it goes to make the edit, and blocked. Right there. It even sees the reason I wrote, and instead of forcing it, it backs off and finds another way. I did nothing. The hook did it. My secrets are safe. And they'll be safe every single time, forever. Okay, that's guarding. Now the other direction, after. I'm lazy about formatting my code, so I want Claude to clean it up for me every time. So I add an after hook. The moment Claude edits any file, automatically run my code formatter. Same written settings file, one more rule. So I ask Claude to do something completely normal, just add a small function to my file. It makes the edit, and the second it's done, my hook jumps in on its own and formats the whole thing. Clean spacing, semicolons, all of it. I never asked it to format. The hook just did it. That's the magic, the boring chores take care of themselves every single time. And you can go further. Want Claude to tap you on the shoulder the second it's finished, so you can walk away and grab a coffee? One line. And your computer pops up its own little notification when the work is done. Same idea, a different moment. So that's hooks, the whole thing. The before moments are your guardrails. They block the stuff you don't want. The after moments are your autopilot. They do the chores you hate. It all lives in one settings file, and once it's there, it runs every time without you. If you do one thing tonight, do this. Grab that secrets, file guard, paste it in, and Claude can never leak your private keys again. That's a real win in 30 seconds. I put out one of these every couple of days, so subscribe and stick around and tell me what you'd automate first. See you in the next one.